y'all, it's Kai and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button to join the crew. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, babe? So basically in this vlog, as you can see in the title, this is a prep with me for vacation vlog. So basically I'm going to be getting my hair done, my nails done, my eyebrows, my lashes, my toes as well. So we do have a few things that we need to get done. Currently I'm going to start off with doing my hair. So 13 by 4 20 inch, okay, this is 13 by 4 20 inch curly wig. I got this for $80 from off of Amazon. I'm going to be dyeing this brown. I'm going to be plucking it, of course, customizing it to my liking, and then installing it. This is the wig that I'm going to be wearing for my trip, my vacation. Basically, my lash appointment is booked for tomorrow. So I'm doing my own hair and I'm doing my nails. So I'm waiting for my nails to come because I ordered them on Amazon. I'm gonna show you how that is and how it all gets done. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my nails and my hair today, and then my toes, I might do them today or I might do them tomorrow. And my wax, I'm gonna do that later on today, once I have some free time. But that's basically all that I have, so I'll talk to y'all once I start getting things done.
My eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know it. I know exactly who you could be. So just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, we're going.
So it's the next day. It's currently 10:26. I only was able to finish my hair last night. Not even last night. I finished my hair early this morning at like 2-3 a.m. But this is the final product. I got 2 little braids going down the side as well. But it's 10:27 and my lash appointment is at 11 o'clock. So I'm about to get all ready and then head out. She's about a 10-minute drive. But I want to make sure I'm near on time, so I'm gonna leave at 10:40 just to be on the safe side. I also got to do my wax today. I have to get my toes and I got to get my toes done. So after my lash appointment, I'm gonna go get my toes done with my friend. Then I need to stop by Desert Sky so I can get my eyebrows threaded, as well as I gotta do my nails myself, but I just got some press on, so that should be interesting. But I'll talk to y'all once I'm on the way to get my lashes done, or when I'm getting my lashes done. As y'all can see, I clearly got my lashes done. lipbalm.com. But as of right now, I'm about to go inside of Desert Sky so I can go get my eyebrows threaded because these need a little bit of shaping. Yeah. So I'm about to go up inside Desert Sky, get my eyebrows waxed, and then at that point, I'm gonna wait for my friend to hit me back because we're supposed to be getting our toes done together, so that we gonna get our toes done together, and then I can go and put my press-on nails on, and then we can call it a day. I mean, I also gotta wax my coochie and whatnot, but besides waxing my coochie and putting them press-on nails on, that's basically it. Hair is done by me, lashes are done by KK. I will put her Instagram down below, but yes, I got a volume set done by her. Took her like about an hour, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, as fast as I ever got my lashes done, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, only been in like 2 lash takes, her and somebody else. But you know, yeah, that's all we gonna say. But yeah, I'll see y'all up inside when I'm threading my lashes.
Just hold on, we're going,
Hey guys, it's currently 7:14. It's March 17th and it's 7:14. We weren't able to get our toes done yesterday, so we're leaving. Well, we booked an appointment. I booked an appointment for us to get our pedicures done today at 9 a.m. So we're gonna get our pedicures done at 9 a.m. and then we're gonna head out to the car and then head out to Mexico. But as y'all can see, I didn't do my nails either, so I needed to do my nails. I'm about to hop in the shower. Then I'm about to wax my coochie because I haven't waxed my coochie either, y'all. So the wax is set up right here. Wax is all set up and whatnot. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower, get dressed, wax my coochie, put these nails on, and then head out by 9 o'clock so that I can, well, head out before 9 o'clock so that I can get to my pedicure appointment on time to do my nails. But I'll talk to y'all when I'm at the nail salon getting my toes done, and yeah. Okay, hey y'all, so we at the nail salon right now getting our toes done. After we get our toes done, we gonna head out to get the car so we can hit the road to go to Mexico. But that's basically it. I'll talk to y'all when I'm in the car doing my nails. So as y'all can see, I clearly got my toes done. Right now, this second, I'm waiting for my friend to get her stuff so she can put it in my car. Then we got to go get our rental car that we're using for today. Once we get that car, then we're going to come back and whatnot. But as of right now, I still do need to do my nails. I have not done my nails yet. I'm most likely going to do that on the way to Mexico. But yeah, so I'll talk to y'all once I'm doing my nails in the car.